Yeah, I know. You spend a lot of time with people, both positive and negative people. You spend time with your girlfriends. Yeah, you spend time with your family. You spend some time with your friends, your colleagues, with your students. But the question is, when was the last time you spent time with yourself? I mean, when was the last time you spent time with your personal self? You see, by spending some time with yourself, you get the opportunity to audit yourself, especially on your goals, both your long-term and your short-term goals. Where are you? Have you made any progress? Are there problems, and how can you solve it? Spending some time with yourself can get you to understand everything about yourself. You see, by spending some time with yourself, you will not only get the opportunity to monitor your progress, you will also have the chance to study your improvement and improve on your creativity. You will have time to relax and recharge. You see, during this period, you don't have to worry about what other people are thinking or what they are doing. You don't even have to worry about maintaining your social interactions because it's only you, yourself, and you. Now, the most interesting part of spending some time with yourself is the me court. I do that a lot. And that's when you become very honest with yourself. You ask yourself questions and you answer yourself honestly. Let me share with you my experience and how I do it, but I'm bored here. So in the meantime, you get to spend some time with yourself and you get to be honest with yourself. In my own case, I usually ask myself a series of questions. For example, I say, hey Rashid, what happens with the chapter 2 that you promised to write yesterday? And I become honest with myself. I say, yeah, I wanted to write it, but because the excursion or the exhibition came up, which is impromptu, it wasn't expected. Then I still say to myself, yeah, I know it wasn't expected, but why haven't you done it? Because it's just a day work, it's a day participation. And I become honest with myself. I say, no reason. So I punish myself. I give myself some assignment. I deny myself some benefits. For example, I said to myself, okay, this week, Rashid, no swimming pool. Or I say, Rashid, this week, no beach. You see, spending some time with yourself and entering the me court during the process can give you the opportunity to enhance your productivity, your time management, and keep track of your goals. So take a look at how I spend some time with myself in the swimming pool and how I spend some time with myself during the evenings where I go out to do some jogging and some workouts to have a better version of myself. So the next time you look into yourself, the next time you want to ask yourself some question, please be honest and ask yourself, how much time have you spent with yourself? Because it's important for your productivity, for your time management. So thank you so much for being with me, and I hope you have learned something today. And I look forward to seeing you in another of my videos. So bye.